Katie, we'll get you back to your programming here in just a minute, but we do want to talk just a little bit about what's going on with severe weather across the area here, and we'll get a picture for you here up in just 1 second. But there is a severe thunderstorm warning for the Albuquerque metro area right now for a series of storms rolling up the Rio Grande Valley. As you can see from our warnings map here, Bernalillo County, Valencia County, up into Sandoval County, Santa Fe County, and of course over into San Miguel County and Torrance County, all part of the severe thunderstorm warning, as well as down in Otero County. We also have severe thunderstorm warnings as well. Here's a look at what's going on. You can see the heart of the strong storms right up the spine of the state at this point. And here's a look closer into the metro. What we've seen is some of these stronger storms forming around places like Los Lunas and then sliding up into the metro area. Now these cells have very strong winds, heavy rain, and some hail with them. Now the reason they're severe or wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour with these cells as they continue to roll right along the I-25 corridor. We now have reports of hail out on the west side, and we're also seeing reports of hail along the core of the city as well. We've also seen very strong storms rolling up over the Sandias too. So there's a lot happening here with these systems. Now these are textbook scattered thunderstorms, as you can see here, but they have enough punch with them to be dangerous as they roll on through. So stay inside as they come through the area here. Again, winds up to 60 miles an hour, small hail with these, and brief heavy rain. Obviously, frequent lightning strikes are a concern as well. Farther to the north, over the northern mountains, we're seeing some strong storms up around the White Rock area and along the eastern edge of the Jemez Mountains right now, where we are picking up widespread hail in that cell over White Rock that you're seeing there and around Los Alamos too. Espanola, we've got some storms that are pushing in your area right now coming up from the south. So if you're not getting those strong storms in Espanola, you're about to. Santa Fe seeing some showers and storms, especially on the west side of town. Meanwhile, as you get up into the northern mountains, we've had frequent lightning strikes up here throughout the day. Today, there was even a lightning strike death in Cimarron earlier today. Someone on a motorcycle was struck and killed. So these are dangerous storms if you end up underneath them. And you can see a lot of them up across the northern mountains are more isolated in nature than what we've got going through the Rio Grande Valley right now. But this is definitely a situation we need to keep a very close eye on. And this storm continues to churn out to our west. It will continue to throw moisture and storms in our direction. We'll stay on top of this for you throughout the afternoon and evening. And as we end up with any more severe thunderstorm warnings here right in the city, we'll keep you posted on those. And down across the south, the Sacramento Mountains now getting into the mix here with scattered to numerous thunderstorms as well. And we are looking at a severe storm in south central sections of Otero County. This one has some hail with it as well, and those wind gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour. One more wide view across the state here shows most of the action continues up through central sections. We are still receiving reports of lighter snow, yes, in the high San Juan Mountains of southwestern Colorado, where they now have a winter storm watch for the mountains there. We'll get into that in your full forecast, but again, the area we continue to watch here, central sections of the Rio Grande Valley up through Belen, we're getting a pretty good storm. And again, these are going to roll right up through the Albuquerque area, so please stay out of the ditches and arroyos. And obviously, take these storms pretty seriously. They're going to be an issue here over the next few hours. We'll get you back to programming, and we only break in when we think we have to, and this is one of those cases. So please be very careful out there. Much more coming up, and of course, a full report coming up at 4.